Hi, my name is Wes Weaver, owner of Deep Reflections. Today we have a Camaro 2011 RS, and pretty much everything we do, we're going to be doing on this car. We're going to be doing auto body repair. There's a few panels that don't match. We're going to be painting those to match. We're also going to do some paint on graphics, and then we're going to be doing an overall clear on the whole car, and it's pretty much going to look brand new when we're done. So let's get started. As you can see, this bumper is fairly messed up, a lot of paint chips, and the owner decided rather than repaint this, swap it out with an SS bumper. So we'll be doing that, painting it to match. These stick-on decals are coming off. We're going to be painting on graphics on the side of the hood, across the rear and across the door. This panel doesn't quite match the hood, so we'll be repainting that to match. What we decided with the customer here, being that this whole car is really stuffed up, we can actually save him a little bit of money, and he's going to get a level of protection here that's as good as the factory clear was in the first place. Here we have dented up wheel well here. This body line has been destroyed here. We're going to put that back in, take care of those ripples, and when we get done with this car, it's going to roll out of here brand new. Okay, we're at the halfway point here. We've got the graphics sprayed on, and we're getting ready to clear coat this. We're going to do a double clear. After the clear is set up and hardened, we're going to go back over it, final inspection. We're going to machine polish it, and it should be good to go. Hi, welcome back. We just completed the 2011 Camaro RS project. We've got our painted on graphics completed on the side mirrors. The customer wanted the window or the tint on the lights and the bumper trim piece added, as well as the side skirts. We got that done. And painted the panels that were a little discolored to match. We re-cleared the whole car, and we are ready to give it back to the owner. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for paint correction or paint repair, auto body work up to full paint, or spray and bed liners, interior detailing, look no further than Deep Reflections.